Hello grade 2, so I will be reading your math test to you. Please listen very carefully, pause the video when I'm done explaining a question for you to finish the question first before you listen to the next one. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Fill up to the next 10. Now filling up to the next 10, remember there's a certain way you need to do it in your steps. And you need to remember to do it like that, otherwise you won't receive your full marks. So you can do number 1, question A, B and C. I left a space for you to do it underneath the sum, or if you're doing it in a separate book, you can just number it 1A, 1B and 1C. Question number 2. Word problems with fractions. Now these word problems, you need to share the things between your friends, but you need to do fractions with the word problem. So they say share 7 sweets between 3 children, and then I want an answer, but remember the sweet that is left over needs to be divided as well into fractions. B, it says share 13 cookies between 4 friends, and C, share 9 chocolates between 2 children. You can do number 2, A, B and C. Number 3. Number the shopping bags from the heaviest to the lightest. Now there's 3 shopping bags, 2 kilograms, 500 gram and 1 kilogram. I want you to number the heaviest one with a number 1 underneath him, and then the one after that number 2, and then obviously the lightest one must be number 3. Question number 4. It's time. Now we learned our new time, that is 1/4 I want you to fill in the arms on the clocks and look at 4A, B, C and D, and look at the clocks. It says as well A, B, C and D. Now A, you need to fill in on that clock 4:15, B is 8:15, C is 12:15 and D is 6:15. Remember what 1/4 is, where your long arm must be, and remember where your short arm must be if it's 1/4. Number 5, you need to tell me if the following objects can slide or roll. If they can slide and roll, you need to write both. Now the first one is a book, then there is a can, a paint can, then there's a ABC block, and the last one is a ball. Now you just write roll, or you write slide, or you write roll and slide. Number 6 is number patterns. You need to go look what is the pattern, and I want you to finish the pattern. Now the first one is 128, 132, 136. Go make sure how many it gets more or how many it gets less, and then you finish that pattern. The same with B. I did the last 3 numbers for you. You need to fill in the previous ones. And number C, I did the first 3 numbers and you need to finish the rest. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that test.